Do your garage door springs break so often? Don't worry. Adams Garage Doors LLC has the answers. With a wealth of experience, they're your go-to experts for any garage door-related issue. Don't let the mystery of broken springs stress you out. Their skilled professionals are here to help. From understanding how springs work to fixing them seamlessly, they've got you covered. Trust them for top-notch service and a wide range of quality products. Call 703-623-6766 or visit adamsgaragedoors.llc.com for all your garage door needs.